Okay, this is our regular format of reapportionment. Here, the title of that particular company in the books of Punita Engineering Limited, statement showing secondary distribution, isn't it? This is secondary distribution of service department's cost to production departments by simultaneous equation method. Here, one thing is clear. You have to redistribute the cost of service departments to production departments by simultaneous equation method. I used this by word, by. Why? It is given in our problem. This word is in our problem, so you need not to use another word in our solution. So I taken this word by. Okay. Sentence is statement showing secondary distribution of service department's cost to production departments by simultaneous equation method. In last reapportionment, we used the word as per. Service department's cost to production departments as per secondary simultaneous equation method or repeated distribution method. Okay, three production departments are here. Production department A, B, and C. No. What are the name of first production department?
Assembly.
Assembly. Okay. Then next,
Cutting.
cutting. Very good. And
Mixing.
last one,
Mixing.
mixing. Right. These are production departments. Right?
सर
Yes, beta.
assembling
Yes.
assembling येते पहिलं
Assembling, na?
पहिलं जे असेंब्ली लिहिलं
Assembling. Okay, very good. Very nice. Assembling, cutting, and mixing. Then total column, then ratio, and then particulars column. We have to put primary distribution summary for each production department. Then title is overhead expenses as per departmental distribution summary. As I wrote here, departmental distribution summary, this word is given in your illustration problem. This words also in your problems. So you need not to use another words. Okay. As the description is given in your problem, you only put here that description. Okay. Overhead expenses as per departmental distribution summary. And then the total of three production departments, assembling department, primary distribution summary. That part is given in your problem. Okay. Assembling service cost of production cost of assembling department is 2000, isn't it? Then production cost of cutting department 2500, and the production cost overhead cost of mixing department is rupees 3000, and then total of three production departments is 7500. Okay. Then in particulars column, put your first survey department, that is survey department transport. Right? First one survey department, that is transport, and in bracket you need to write percentage of the service cost of transport survey department. See, I wrote here 90% of rupees 1000. The meaning of this bracket is only what we calculated. The cost of survey department X means cost of survey department transport, and that cost is rupees 1000. But we need to take only part which is apportioned by production departments in percentage basis. Okay. In your problem, it is given there how percentage acquired production department assembling, cutting and mixing. 90%. See, in your problem, in assembling department, the portion is 30%, isn't it? Problem is there? Yes,
Yes, sir.
30%.
30%,
Yes. Then,
cutting 30%,
very good. 30%. Nice.
and mixing 30%.
Mixing is 30%. What is the total of percentage?
3s
9%.
90%. Hence,
90.
we took here the percentage 90% of rupees 1000, which cost calculated as per simultaneous equation method. We get rupees 1000, the cost of service department transport. We need to reapportion the cost in given percentage, and that percentage is 90%. Isn't it? Okay. And percentage 90% of rupees 1000 is rupees
900.
yes
900.
900. Very good. 90% of rupees 900, 1000, that is 900. How the cost of service department transport came? The percentage of assembling, cutting and mixing aggregately becomes 90%, and we need to reapportion the cost of service department transport in 90%, and hence the percentage of 90% of rupees 1000 is rupees 900. Okay. Then what will be the ratio? 3%. 3 has 2. 3 has 2. What will be the ratio of 30%?
3s 2s
3 has 2.
3.
3
Very good. Has
has
2.
2 3.
3.
3. Nice. Okay. Isn't it? You need to reapportion the cost of service department transport in given ratio. Given ratio is here 3 has to 3 has to 3. And what will be the answer?
300. 300.
Yes, 900
Great.
divided by 9 is equal to, answer is
300.
100.
100.
100. 100 into 3,
300.
100 into 3,
300.
300, and
300.
100 into 3, 300. Okay.
300.
In this way, the cost of service department transport is totally reapportioned amongst production departments only. See, 300 plus 300 plus 300 is equal to 900. You need not to write here 900, isn't it? Isn't it? You write here 900. Okay, you can write here 900. Okay. Then you can see the cost of service department transport totally reapportioned amongst production department. Then the number of next service department that is
Power.
that is power. Then you need to percentage here. Yes,
70%.
70% of rupees
800.
800. Very nice. Of rupees 800. Okay, isn't it? You need to write 800 here. What will be the ratio? Yes,
2 has 2.
2 has 2.
2 has 2.
Just two.
3.
2 has 2. Yes.
2.
Yes.
2 has 3.
Just a second. 2 has 2. 2 has 2. 3.
3.
2 has 2. 2 has 2. 3. Okay.
3.
This is the ratio. Okay. Now total is 800, right? You have to reapportion the cost of service department power, that is 800. 800 divided by what is the total of ratio? That is 7
7.
is equal to
20.
560.
very nice, 560. Okay, 560. Sorry, 70%, right now? 560.
Yes.
Okay, you need to reapportion the cost 560 out of rupees 800, right now? 70%.
Yes.
70% of rupees 800, that is 560. 800 into 70 divided by 100. इथे मी I will write here as given in bracket. Okay, 70% of rupees 800, and that is 560, right?
60.
Okay,
Yes.
then 560.
50, sir.
Yes, yes, beta. 70% of rupees 800. Yes,
56.
56.
56 नाही येणार ना सर कसं काय
560, right, sir?
बरोबर आहे ना
56. 800.
Divided by
You have calculator. 800 into 70
70% upon 100%. 100 divided by 100.
divided by 100. What will be the answer?
560.
560.
560.
Very nice. Okay, then you have to write here 560 divided by what is the total of ratio? 7.
7.
Then answer is
80.
80, right? 80 into 2,
160.
160. Very good.
160.
Then 80 into
160.
160. Very good. 80 into 3,
240.
240.
140. In this way, the whole amount, full amount of production department, service department power, that is 560, reapportioned amongst only production departments. The full amount of service department power is reapportioned, and this way, both service departments reapportioned its service cost amongst production departments only. Now you have to summarize here total. Okay. What is the total of total department?
8,960.
8,960. Very good. And then department
2,460.
2,460. Then cutting
2,290.
2,290.
9, sir.
Yes sir. 9090.
2,000.
2,960 alai, sir.
2,960. Yes, definitely. 960. And then
3,540.
40. Okay. In this way, the vertical total and horizontal total is matched in total column, that is the total 8,960. Okay. In this way, the cost of service departments reapportioned to production departments only. That cost was 8,960. In this way, by using simultaneous equation method, we reapportion the cost of service departments to production departments only, right? In this way, this problem is over. What is going on? Okay, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In this problem, you need to use both equations simultaneously, and then you have to calculate the cost of service departments, and then after calculating the cost of service departments, you need to reapportion the cost of service departments amongst production departments only, right? Any question? Okay, now we proceed towards problem number second. Okay, what is problem number second? Please read. Anybody else is there? Please read problem number second. Who is there? Anybody else is there? Have you written that particular problem number second in your notebook? Okay, listen.
Yes.
Do you have problem number second or not? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Sir.
yes, definitely. If problem is there, please read anybody else that problem, because problem is in short. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashwini, please read.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sandesh Limited, Solapur has 3 manufacturing departments, S1, S2, and S3, and 2 service departments, M1 and M2. The following are the total overheads expenses as per primary distribution summary for the month ended 31st March 2010. Manufacturing departments,
That is 2020.
sorry, 2020.
Okay.
Manufacturing departments, S1 rupees 2000, S2 rupees 1800, S3 rupees 1600, and service departments M1 rupees 900, M2 rupees 400.
Very good.
The expenses of service departments are charged on a percentage basis as follows.
Very good.
Particulars: service department M1, S1 20%, S2 30%, S3 40%, M1 dash M2 10%.
Very good.
Service department M2, S1 40%, S2 20%, S3 20%, M1 20%, M2 dash. Prepare a statement showing apportionment of service departments overheads expenses to production departments by simultaneous equation method.
Very good. In this way, in problem number second, it is given there. What is given? Primary distribution summary. The wording is as per primary distribution summary. Okay. Already primary distribution summary is there. You need to reapportion the overhead costs taking primary distribution summary as a base. Okay. In short, primary distribution summary is there. And then after using simultaneous equation method, you need to reapportion this cost of service departments to production departments, isn't it? म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे प्रायमरी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन समरी दिलेली आहे. तुम्हाला आता सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन मेथडचा वापर करून, कारण नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला काय दिले इथे, आता दीदीने वाचलंय जस्ट नाउ. प्रिपेअर अ स्टेटमेंट शोविंग apportionment of service departments overhead expenses to production departments by simultaneous equation method. Then by using simultaneous equations, you need to calculate the cost of service departments M1 and M2. Service departments M1 and M2, and after that you need to reapportion the newly calculated cost of service departments overhead costs. Okay, then what will be the sentence here? Let, yes, yes, tell me. Let M1,
X. Sorry, M1 means total.
sorry, X, let X be the, yes,
Total overhead
total overheads
of
Service department.
total overheads
M1.
of service department,
Service department. M1.
service department
M1. Very good. Okay, then and
let
let
Y
Y be the
total overhead
total overhead
of service department
of
department.
service department
M.
M2. Yes, service department M2. Okay, then comma, see, let X be the total overheads of service department M1. Assume that service department is shown in the form of X and service department M2 in shown in the form of Y. Then what is the first equation? X is equal
X
to A, yes,
plus
yes,
BY
dy, very good,
BY.
dy. Then X is equal to the cost of first service department in given primary distribution.
900.
Yes,
M1 900.
M1 900, very good, plus how many percentage of Y?
20%. No, M1 20% येईल sir.
Very good, 20% of Y. Very good,
Y.
20% of Y. Students, time is only 1 minute now, huh? X is equal to, time is remaining 1 minute. X is equal to 900 plus 20 upon 100, right?
20%.
Into Y. Just a second. into y, right? Then x is equal to
900 plus
900
900
plus 2 upon 10, 2 upon 10,
5 compound
right?
10,
Na?
10.
10
Yes,
2 upon 10 into y.
y.
into y.
Very good. Then x is equal to 900, x is equal to